Here I have XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your tablet off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So yeah, and that's how it's done. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your tablet will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.